all the major indices are off session lows, but the U.S. economy, in light of this, added just 38,000 non-farm jobs in May. It's the weakest monthly growth in nearly 6 years. But you can scoop up things on a bad report. That's why Jason Rotman is here. He's with Lido Isle. He's joining me now as a managing partner. Why do you see a comeback here in these final hours? It almost seems like the market got used to an ugly number and figured out, well, now what? We can figure this out.
Well, ultimately, Liz, I think it's just a basic currency play. I mean, a lot of the headwinds in the market when the U.S. dollar was rallying because the market was expecting the Fed to raise rates more than once this year caused a lot of nervousness from even the big corporate CEOs that, listen, we're going to do worse with a strong dollar. Today, the dollar has basically crashed, that has really kind of alleviated a lot of those strong dollar fears. So that's why you're seeing the market rally.
Okay,
it's a horrible number.
It's a horrible number, but there's always a trade, isn't there, Jason? And
True.
I mean, people pay you to find the good trades despite any kind of bad news. What are you looking at right now?
So it's actually a fascinating topic. I have been watching the water utilities all year. And I've just had this hunch that water utilities are going to have a strong performance, not only this year, but long term. I've asked all of my friends in the industry, have you been watching water stocks? And they're like, water stocks, not at all. They may be too busy drinking coffee every day, but I think the viewers have to be watching water stocks. There's one, American Water Works. It's in the mid-70s. It's raised dividends every year, basically. It's up 26% this year alone. It's never had a down year in the past 4 years, so it may not go up 20% like a tech stock this year, but this is a big-time buy and hold.
Guess what? It hit an all-time high today. In fact, we're at it right now. Decent pick, Jason. Decent pick. You've been in there for a while. So look, if you say water's the new gold, gold is the new gold. Gold's up $33 today. That, of course, is exactly what you were talking about, a weak dollar play. But as we go into this final minute of trade, everyone's going to be wondering, will we see the Fed hike in June? Doesn't look like they're going to. What about July?
July is probably off the table as well. I mean, honestly, I would honestly say, Liz, nobody was expecting this bad of a number. I mean, maybe 100,000 versus 180. 38 shocked the markets, and that's why you see such monster currency plays. The euro was up 200 points. The dollar's down over 1%. So really, it's not so much that the market's rallying because of the economy. It's just due to the dollar. That's it.